Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a keyboard language to your Windows 10. So for example, right now my keyboard layout is something else, for example US or UK keyboard layout, and I want to change it to some other language keyboard layout, for example German keyboard layout. So how we can do it? So first of all, you need to go to the start button here and open settings, and in here go to time and language, and in here go to region and language, and in the language, under the language, you can add a new language here. So just click add new language and search for your language. Okay, so let's search for here the language I want, which is German. So I will just select it, and in here I have some more options to choose the country from which I want to choose. So for example, German from Germany, I will choose this one, and now you can see this language is added to your region and language. Okay, and now after doing this, you will observe here, so I'm going to minimize this, and you are going to observe here this English keyboard layout here, and when you expand this, you're going to see the new language you have added. So for example, in my case I have added this German keyboard, so it's adding this German keyboard layout here. Okay, so you can just choose it and it's going to change it to the language of your preference, and then you can use the keyboard of this language. Okay, so in this way you can add or change the keyboard layout for Windows 10. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.